Hello students, how are you? We have discussed liberalization, privatization. Today we will discuss globalization. Globalization refers to the integration of the economy of the country with the rest of the world. It is a system in which goods, services, investment and people move freely across the political boundaries. It is a complex phenomena. It is an outcome of the set of various policies that are aimed at transforming the world towards greater interdependence and integration. It involves creation of networks and activities transcending economic, social, geographical boundaries. Globalization attempts to establish links in such a way that the happenings in India can be influenced by events happening miles away. It is turning the world into one whole or creating a borderless world. Now we will discuss outsourcing. Outsourcing is a practice in which a company hires regular services from external sources, mostly from other countries. Legal service, computer service, advertisements, data entry, accounting service are outsourced by the companies of developed countries. As a form of economic activity, outsourcing has intensified in recent times because of the growth of fast mode of communication, particularly the growth of information technology. Many of the services, voice-based business processes known as BPO or call centers, record keeping, accountancy, banking services, music recording, film editing, book transcription, clinical advice, teaching are being outsourced by companies in developed countries to India. With the help of modern telecommunication links, including the internet, the text, voice and visible data, in respect of these services is digitized and transmitted in real time over continents and national boundaries. Most multinational corporations are outsourcing their services to India. India is a favorite outsourcing destination because wage rates are low in India, so companies can reduce their cost of production. Number two, India has a low to skilled manpower. The low wage rates and availability of skilled manpower in India have made it a destination for global outsourcing in the post-reform period. Why outsourcing is good for India? Because it provides employment opportunities to a large number of educated people. Number two, it enables India to earn a lot of foreign exchange. Number three, it improves the GDP of our country. Economic growth rate also increases. Developed countries are opposing outsourcing. Why? It reduces employment opportunities in their countries. Number two, it leads to the outflow of foreign exchange. Number three, it affects their growth rate. Thank you.